Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to find games already installed on Epic Games. So if you have a game already that you have installed onto your local browser and you want to find this onto your Epic Games to continue installing this or for it to be easily installed, then this is a step-by-step guide for you. So as you can see in here, we have this game, for example, the Take the Throne. So it's not yet installed onto your device, but if you have this onto your device already, then this is what we should do to have this installed onto your Epic Games or to show it onto your Epic Games. So you'll just need to go ahead and browse onto the Epic Games folder onto your device. So we should store in here the installed one onto our device. So as you can see, we have that one already in here, and what we need to do in here so that it should reflect here onto our Epic Games that is installed is we need to rename this one out first. So we're just gonna go ahead and try to right click this, and then you'll need to rename it onto other names. So you can just choose onto what name you want to go ahead and try to change this. Now let's just right click onto this one in here, and then we'll try to rename this. So for example, we're gonna go ahead and add in real in here since this is the real one that we have. So we're just gonna click on to continue for that. And then right after it is already changed, just head back onto your Epic Games and then try to install a little bit of this Take the Throne. So we're gonna go ahead and click onto this and make sure it is installed onto the same location that you have the game already. So we're gonna click onto install. Now, as you can see, since we've gone ahead and already created another folder in here, so what we need to do is we'll rename the folder that it has created. So we're gonna go ahead and try to rename this like that, and we're gonna add in here delete this since we're gonna delete this one later on. And then right after the game that you have already renamed earlier, we're gonna go ahead and rename it back onto the same name that it has onto Epic Games. So just like that, we're gonna remove the real, and then it should go ahead and have it something like this. So right after, we're gonna go ahead and try to delete the other file that was created right after installing it. And then right after, you're just gonna go ahead and click onto install again onto this game, and instead of installing, it should just verify the app. And that's just basically it onto how to add already installed game to Epic Games. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to your next video.